Hello YouTube. Today we'll learn how to reverse a string in Swift. So let's get started. We'll create a function called reverse string. Now this will have one input of type string. This will return the output of type string. So let's write our return statement, and this will return of type string. Now we will use an inbuilt function of Swift called reversed to reverse our string. So we'll take our input string and we'll write str dot reversed to get it reversed. Now this will reverse any type of string in Swift. Let's see the usage of this. So we'll write the usage and let's see how it can be used. So we will have, so let's write original and we'll put anything, example, hello YouTube, hello YouTube, and let's print the reversed string of original. So let's write reverse string and let's put in original inside of this and let's run it and see what we get. And so it has reversed hello YouTube to Ibutue Ole. And that's how you can reverse a string in Swift. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel.